Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok video playback speed. So playback speed is essentially the speed of how the video is played. You can go make it faster or slower, and you can go and set it back to normal as well if you want to. So first of all, you need to go and find a video you want to do this with. You could do it with one of your own videos, or you could do on someone else's. For example, on this one here, what you need to do is go and tap and hold on the video. You go and get this pop-up, and at the top here you need to go and start scrolling along, and you should go and see the option playback speed. You can then go and tap there, and you can choose the speed. For example, I will set this to 2 times like so, and then it's going to go and be sped up by 2 times, as you can see. And then you can make it slower by clicking, holding, scroll along, clicking playback speed. I can change it to 5 times. It's just going to be up to you. In this case, I will just have it set to normal though. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.